Hi guys, I'm Damia Cashfree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying on some of my favorite new pieces with you. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know if you like this video. So, nothing in this video is sponsored. I paid for everything. This first piece that I'm wearing is from Pretty Little Thing. I think it's super cute. You can dress it up or down. I like to throw it on with some heels or my Burberry jacket. On with this jacket, it's super cute. You can put some shades on, throw a bag on, and I just really think that this is just a really cute look for running to the market, running to the park, anything like that. Definitely a look. Pretty thin sweater from H&M. I love it because it's not heavy, it's not itchy, and I think you can wear it with a skirt or you can wear it with some jeans. I paired it with these Zara jeans, and I definitely think this is a great look. It's so soft, it's not itchy, it doesn't irritate you. It's a heavy sweater, it's perfect, it'll keep you nice and warm. I just paired it with some jeans, and there you have it. So I love that black sweater so much, I ended up getting it in this color. The black sweater is a medium, this is a small. I wanted to get the black sweater just a size larger so that I can wear it more loosely, and this is more fitted, but I absolutely love it. This top is from the Luxe Label brand. I love Luxe. Oh my gosh, the quality is absolutely amazing. Guys, literally, their quality, I know you probably heard this, but their quality is top notch. Just a top that I ordered from them for the fall, winter season. So I just paired it with some jeans. Take a moment here for guys, this two-piece is just, I love it. Next piece is from the Luxe Label brand, and guys, I cannot stress to you how top-notch this quality is. I mean, this just feels like a soft blanket, and I just want to like cuddle up and just go to sleep. The quality is top notch. I mean, it just is. Yeah, when I saw this piece, I had to order it. I ordered it a few months back, but I will definitely try to link it for you guys. They sell out quick, so if not, I'll have to just link something similar. But this piece is absolutely amazing. This is my favorite piece. You definitely have to have this in your closet. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, you can throw some sneakers on, throw some heels on. I mean, the bottoms just hug your ankles. You can put like an anklet on with it. The bottoms is just so, okay, yes, where are we going? This is giving me like cabin vibes with you, Bill. Like, come on guys. This is definitely a must have. Like, you have to have this. got paired with a tank from H&M and these black tights from Pretty Little Thing. I love this piece because it's definitely one of those pieces that you can dress up or down. As you can tell, all my pieces are pretty much outfits that you can wear on a date night or run to the mall. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know, like and subscribe, comment below.